Happy New Year to each every one of you! Let's have some festivity! Welcome 2026 message!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Message!
Happy New Year! Maraming salamat. Iabot ko natin ng 2025. Sana, ito sumasunod, 26, di ba? Oh. Next year, ngayon 26 na. 2026 na ngayon. Salamat God. Marami na akong umagit 85.
Message!
Happy New Year, everyone!
Yan
Good
sa plato.
health and gold.
O yung gold chain na plato. Yan ang ano eh?
Message!
Happy New Year! I wish for the New Year to have more prosperity and strong family bond, and also more goals this year.
Message! Message!
Happy New Year, everyone!
Message mo? Ano message mo? Ano message mo sa sarili mo?
Dapat ba kaya?
Ikaw, anong message mo?
Teka. Happy New Year! Salamat at buhay pa tayo. And more blessings in a whole year.
Yes. Thank you, Lord, for the wonderful blessings that you gave to me for reaching my goal as double. Thank you, Lord, for making it double as I didn't expect.
Wow, double na.
Thank you very much. It's okay. Okay, one more time.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Magsalita ka, sabihin mo Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!